Holy crap. Did we take the Arlo camera down? The Apostle Islands, where we are going to hang out with our friends Andrea Kris from Markham's on the Move. You want to explain what we're having to do?
Pearl died.
You gotta wait. He's coming. Who's that? Hold on. Hold on. Hold on, bud. Oh! There he goes. Good Lord. Did you get him? Look at you and your new fancy badge. One happy dog. Hi. What's up, buddy? So we are about 5 miles away from my parents' house, who is graciously letting us boondock in their front yard, on our way up to the Apostle Islands, where we are going to hang out with our friends Andrea Kris from Markham's on the Move.
I'm excited for it. This doesn't look like it because Minneapolis, St. Paul, Twin Cities traffic, if you know it, you know it, and rush hour during construction.
I mean, I grew up with it, so I guess I'm kind of used to it, but yeah, it's pretty terrible. Plus, if it's not winter, it's construction season, and that makes it just all around worse. So, but yeah, this will be a fun little stopover, I think.
Yeah, so we use RV Life Pro to get us around the country. We have for a couple of years. We like it 95% of the time.
Yeah.
Except for 5% of the time.
That 5%.
When you get into a big city.
So when we get into a big city, I immediately go on my phone and I pull up Google Maps. Generally, Google Maps is going to keep us on the interstates for the most part because we're really just kind of skirting around a city, or we're getting through. But what we found with the RV Life app is it's not very clear when it tells you what exit you need. It might tell you, hey, you're going to need to be taking exit 55AB. Okay, well, is it A or is it B? Because they go to two different places. And then it doesn't tell you until you're essentially right up on it. And that happened to us on our way here, where it told us we needed to be in 55AB. Well, we're in B, and then, because there's a super long line for the A line, and it turns out they go different directions, and then all of a sudden it said, oh, you need to be in 55A. Well, why didn't it just tell me 55A to begin with? I could have gotten in that big line. Now we're towing, and then we have to squeak in. Thankfully, Midwestern nice people, somebody let us in.
So drop in the comments, what do you use for your RV GPS? Let us know and what your thoughts are. And if you do use RV Life Pro,
what do you think about it?
Do you have the same issues?
Yeah, is it just us? Is ours just messing with us? Because, you know, that might be. So we have driven over 200 miles today, and David looks over at me and goes, holy crap, did we take the Arlo camera down? So, we're gonna go out there and see if it's still there.
Yeah. Put it in the comments. Do you think the Arlo camera has survived over 260 miles of driving?
Mind you, it's on a magnet. So it's not like it's screwed into the side of our RV. It's literally only being held on by a magnet. I don't know, we've had some rough roads.
Let's go look.
It's still there!
It made it.
Shortfall hiked up.
So that needs to be added to the list of things to do.
Yeah, we might have to add that to our packing up list. I'm really shocked it made it.
In our defense, we did not put the camera up the entire time we are on fun employment in Florida for 6 weeks. So we're a little out of practice remembering that the camera is there. I'm just really happy that it survived this far on the road, and also very impressed. So kudos to Arlo for making a very strong magnet.
Come on. '89, so keep going straight. This is like a actual campground, like dang. Oh yeah. You're good, just swing it wide. A little bit, there you go. You're good if you just stay to this side as close as possible. Yep, just stay to this side. I think that's about as far back as I'd want to get with the bikes.
To get in there with that tree.
Yeah.
Buckets.
I know.
All right, this week's adventure, we left Iowa for Memorial Day because I had off for it somehow.
Magic. That never happens that the traveler gets holiday weekends off, and it's a long holiday weekend, so we're stoked.
So we went up to the Apostle Islands, just shy of Bayfield on Lake Superior, and we are here with our friends Markham's on the Move. Their valet right there. And they brought their side-by-side, and we're going cruising today, and it's going to be a blast.
I'm so excited.
I'm going to do my best. I'm going to attempt to get maybe some cool drone footage of this. I have ideas. We're going to see if they work. Yeah.
Also, get it far enough away so I can turn it into a reel.
It's always about the reels.
It's always about the reels. And the TikToks. If you don't know, we now have TikTok.
Yeah.
We finally
broke down.
We drank the Kool-Aid.
All right, we're going to see you on the trails. Dusty.
Oh my god.
So what's your recommendation for riding?
Don't wear black leggings.
All right, day 2 of trail riding around today, and first stop is obviously a winery. This is Chris from Markham's on the Move, by the way.
David's our pilot.
Jess and Andrea ran inside to the wine already.
Of course they did.
So, all right, let's see if this is any good. Homemade apple cider donuts.
Mm-hmm.
And a rhubarb scone. You didn't even wait.
Nope, I did not. It was so good.
If you're up in Bayfield, come to Erickson's Orchards. Make them every day.
You don't want to miss this.
Unfortunately, it was time for us to return back to Iowa, but we were pleasantly surprised to find a German festival going on right in town that we couldn't pass up. A jalapeno popper. Jalapeno popper one, which I'm very excited for because there's like big hunks of cheese in here. We did add ketchup, German mustard, and sauerkraut because you can't have a brat without sauerkraut.
There's not a nice way to do this, so.
And I'm wearing a white shirt. This is not well planned.
Is it good? Thumbs up, thumbs down?
It's good.
I already took a bite, but it's got some heat.
Oh, it's just a little bit of spice.
That's good though.
Mm-hmm. Take one more bite. Now I want the rest.
If you're in the Amana colonies in Iowa in June, come to the Worst Festival.
It's the best, worst place to be.
Just days after getting back to town, we discovered that Pearl, our truck, wouldn't start at all. So we had to call in some reinforcements.
You want to explain what we're having to do?
Pearl died.
Yeah.
Pearl is not starting now. I think the batteries have finally given them their last hurrah.
We're hoping that that's all it is, honestly.
But the truck worked all weekend. We let it sit for the last 2 days. Tried to go buy some groceries before work tomorrow. And nothing.
Nope.
So we're going to try to jump it. And if that works, then we're going to the store and going to buy some batteries today.
And pray that that's all that's wrong with it.
It runs.
She runs barely for now. We are going straight to AutoZone and getting new batteries. By the way, thanks, James.
Yeah, you want to see what $450 worth of batteries looks like.
There's one. And there's two.
Oh, RV life.
Join us next week as we visit more family and friends this summer and also perform some unexpected tire maintenance. We'll see you then.